Look, y'all. Look at all that mud we just took out. We had to shovel this shit out like crazy afterwards. Like literally, look how much more trucks we still got left to do. We already did 3. And look at this. We got mad shit. We gotta look. I'm loving this job though. Pays well. Look at all that mud I shoveled out. The other guy's finally here today. Dude. But damn, look at that shit. Look at that fucking shit, yo. This shit's crazy. Ooh, that shit stinks, bro. I don't know why mud smells like that. It smells fucking bad. It smells like a sewage drain. Look at that, he just sitting there doing that. Look at that. Putting all the water back in. We had to get all the mud out because this shit was clogged to the teeth. All the water was all the way backed up to all the way there. Fucking crazy, bro. Water wasn't going anywhere. Look at this shit, the whole fucking drainage. I got fucking dirty from this shit earlier. My face is full of mud and everything. It's crazy. Cement truck, yeah. It's enough for the video.